no sights. So ricochet, no sights, out in the candle, off the steel. And there you go. I don't know if that was 3 or 4. Why do I always get this on 3? So let's go take a look and make sure we didn't damage the candle. Alright, give me a second. Walk up here, walk down to the candle, and we can see here we did not damage the candle at all. There was no damage, the wick is still there, out in the candle with a ricochet from the Savage, excuse me, Mark II. No sights, off the steel. This is Rick with Shooter 1721. Thanks for watching.